Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We have the red alert day still on track for tonight into tomorrow. It's going to be by far the biggest storm of the season that we have had this winter. We are looking at maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow in our northwestern counties, but potentially 6 to 9 in our southeastern counties. This will begin about midnight tonight and will continue through the day on Wednesday, ending by midnight, technically Thursday morning. So here's a look at the current alerts that we have in place. The winter storm watch has been upgraded to a winter storm warning in the pink. That's for areas along and south of Highway 20, including Delaware and Dubuque County. Winter weather advisory there in the purple colors, and I'm surprised they have not issued anything for our north yet, but I would assume that that's going to be a winter weather advisory at least for our northern counties at some point. We'll see what happens, but as we go through future track, we are going to be dry for today. We've had partly cloudy skies this morning. That's helped to clear off the roads. Clouds will take over as we go through the rest of this afternoon. Still going to be a pretty cold day, though. High temperatures in the teens and 20s. Starting about midnight tonight, that snow will work its way back in from the southwest, and it's basically going to take over most of the viewing area through the overnight hours. And this is going to be a very dry and fluffy snow, with temperatures being so cold in the single digits and teens tonight. So it's going to accumulate fairly quickly. This is what it looks like by roughly 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's going to be a mess for the morning commute. There's likely to be delays or even cancellations across the area. And we'll basically continue that steady, moderate snow. Could be heavy at times through the day tomorrow, and still very, very fluffy with the cold temperatures. Not the kind of snow you would make a snowman with, but it's going to continue pretty much through Wednesday afternoon, so even the evening commute is going to be a disaster, I'm sure. Finally tapering off through the evening, ending completely by midnight, and then the clouds will decrease into Thursday. We'll have a lot of sunshine Thursday, but a very cold sunshine. The temperatures will not be very warm with this fresh snow on the ground. So you can see the forecast amounts. Hasn't really changed much since this morning. 6 to 9 inches there in the dark blue, really in a line from Elkader to Waterloo and maybe to Tama, anywhere south or east of that line, 6 to 9. North of it, about 3 to 6, so a decent amount for the entire area. One other thing that might be a concern throughout tomorrow will be the winds that will be coming in from the north, gusting to 25 miles per hour, so we're likely to have some drifting and blowing snow, and that's going to reduce visibility too. Not only do we have this round of snow on the way, but I've gone with a yellow alert day for Friday and Saturday too. Some more accumulating snow, some strong winds for those couple days too. So we're really getting hit with winter here. And here's a look at those snow chances. This is for Friday. Looks like pretty decent chances for that plowable snow rather. And we'll have that continuing into the day on Saturday too. So we're just kind of packing it all in here. And when we recap everything, well, you look at today, it's going to be a quiet day, the calm before the storm, so to speak. We'll have high temperatures in the teens to the 20s and winds coming in from the north 5 to 15. And then tonight, that snow works its way back in. You have the lows there pretty cold, single digits north, teens south, and that's why the snow is going to be so dry, so fluffy, and it accumulates very quickly. Same for tomorrow, just never really get even close to that freezing point. So the snow continues, the winds will continue to blow too, and it's just going to be a mess there for the day tomorrow. Again, Thursday you have the sunshine, you have highs though that will be stuck in about the mid-teens, and wind chills probably below 0 or in the single digits most of that day. And then of course with the snow that returns for Friday and Saturday, once we get past that system, you have another big cool down on Sunday. Look at those lows dropping down to perhaps the teens below 0. And then even more snow potentially for Monday and Tuesday, so it just doesn't want to stop. And with those chances, you have highs remaining in the teens throughout next week.